Hi Slovak learners, ahojte! Have you ever listened to words like mamička instead of mama or domček for dom? Words like these are many in Slovak language. They are very common and can make your speech sound more natural and friendly. Today, we will teach you how to form these words called diminutives in Slovak language. Let's start. Začíname. But before starting, consider becoming a member on our YouTube channel, so you can support us and get exclusive videos, extra practices, and ask your questions about Slovak and Spanish language. Now, back to the video. First of all, what are exactly these diminutives? Diminutives in Slovak language, zdrobneniny, are special word forms that make something sound smaller or more friendly and likable. In Slovak, we form diminutives by adding suffixes, meaning some endings to nouns. Other examples besides the already mentioned mamička for mom and domček for dom are vták, bird, vtáčik, little bird or birdie. Pes, a dog. Psík, little dog. Pusa, kiss. Pusinka, little kiss. Ruka, hand. Ručička, little hand. There are different suffixes or endings that can be added to nouns. These suffixes depend on the gender of the noun. For masculine nouns, we have the endings ik, ček, ko. For instance, chlapec, boy, chlapček, little boy, kôň, horse, koník, little horse. Strom, tree, stromček, little tree. For feminine nouns, the suffixes added to the nouns are ka, čka, nka. Some examples are mačka, cat, mačička, little cat. Kniha, book, knížka, little book. Žena, woman, žienka, little woman. Ulica, street, ulička, little street. For neuter nouns, there are ko, čko. Used for srdce, heart, srdiečko, little heart. Dieťa, child, dieťatko, little child. Zlato, sweet, zlatko, zlatíčko, sweetie. Now, let's see some examples in everyday conversations. Dáš si kávičku? Would you like a little coffee? To je krásne dievčatko. That's a beautiful little girl. Now it's your time to practice. Try to form the words in diminutive according to the previous examples. I have a new little book. Mám novú knížku. That is a beautiful little dog. To je krásny psík. We bought a little cat. Kúpili sme si mačičku. Nicely done! Start using these words and let us know in the comments if you know other ones. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!